Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC immediately. Go to Settings, Connected Devices, and toggle NFC on. Make sure your default payment app is set if you plan to tap to pay, and keep the phone unlocked during setup. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth is not interfering. NFC works best with a clear wireless state. You'll use the top center back of the Nothing Phone 1 to read tags, so remove thick cases and position the tag near that area for reliable detection. Now you'll scan and configure tags, open the built-in NFC reader or a simple NFC app. Tap the tag near the phone's top center rear area until the app confirms a read. Then choose to write a URL, contact, or a shortcut that toggles Wi-Fi or launches an app. Once you write, test the tag by tapping again. If it triggers the wrong action, rewrite with corrected payload. Make sure the tag type matches desired storage size, because smaller tags can hold only limited data. Finish by verifying every tag does exactly what you expect. Test with the phone locked and unlocked, and with your case on to confirm reliability. If a tag won't read, first confirm NFC is still enabled, then remove the case and retry. Some metal or thick cases block the antenna. If problems persist, force stop the NFC app, clear its cache, and reboot the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: if reads are intermittent, swap to a new tag type. Cheap tags often fail after multiple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.